Leo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano ang energies for you ngayong May 1 to 15, 2025. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan. Mystic Queen PH. Okay. Let's see. Ano yung energy update for you, Leo? Astro dice muna. For Leo, May 1 to 15. Okay, you have 11th house, Moon, Aquarius. Moon and Aquarius in the 11th house. So, I see you focusing on your goals and your dreams. Na parang binubuhos mo ngayon or ibubuhos mo ngayon yung pag-aalaga, pagmamahal sa mga pangarap mo. Because 11th house is your dreams, yung gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay. Some of you naman, maaring may involve kayo sa isang charitable work. Like, tutulong kayo sa isang foundation na may certain cause na sinusuportahan ninyo. Pwede ring run for a cause or magdo-donate kayo ng resources, pera, or time, or energy ninyo para doon sa charitable institution na yon, sa foundation. Some of you naman, maaring meron kang certain community na sasalihan. Itong community na to ay related sa spiritual community na interesado ka and you want to know more about that certain divination or pwedeng religious organization that you are interested in. Labyrinth, Journey, Skull, Death, and Abundance, Buffalo. Wow. So this is a transformation. The Death card is about ending of a situation and starting something new. Merong nagsisimula. With the journey here, maaring ngayon magsisimula yung journey mo sa bagong path na tinatahak mo. Bagong trabaho, bagong negosyo, or even bagong relationship. Or bagong goal sa buhay mo. And this is going to bring you abundance. Abundance in resources. Ang abundance kasi hindi lang yan sa pera or material na bagay. This can be abundance in ideas, no? Marami kang mga ideas. Imagination mo talagang on point. This is also abundance of time, abundance of energy. So, maaring ang first half ng May para sa'yo ay magiging very busy. You will be doing a lot of things around this time. You have the Knight of Swords, the Four of Swords, the Fool, the Strength card, and Temperance. Okay. So, yung mga hinihintay mo ay magsisimula na. Siguro yung iba sa inyo parang nainip kayo for quite a while, no? Parang naisip nyo, kailan kayo magbabago? Kailan kayo may magbabago sa sitwasyon ko ngayon? And now is the time. Dahil talagang nilakasan mo yung loob mo na ipagpatuloy yung journey mo. Some of you are going to take a risk. Itong risk na to, this can be a risk sa relationship, can be a risk sa iyong business or career path na tatahakin mo. Yung iba sa inyo may aasikasuhin sa inyong kalusugan. Pwede itong malalaman nyo ngayong first half ng May. Can be, naman to, hindi naman to ganun kaseryoso. Kumbaga, hindi mo na to isasantabi. Bibigyan mo na ng attention, lalo na kung nahihirapan kang matulog or you're becoming really stressed and some of you merong depression that you really need to take care of your mental health. Okay? So, maaring you will go to therapy or may mga activities ka na gagawin that will relax your mind, body, and spirit. So, yung iba sa inyo will go, pagpapalakas ng katawan. This can be physical fitness, magja-jogging, mag-gym. So, gusto mo ngayon makapag-exercise. Ayan. Para mas maging stronger than ever. Okay. Heartache over what you no longer have. Oh, okay. So, I think itong anything na mag-e-end sa'yo, ngayong first half ng May, maaring ito yung somehow parang ang hirap for you to let go of, pero kailangan mo na siyang i-let go. This can be a relationship or friendship or romantic connection with someone. Oh my God, broken ring. Parting of the ways in either romance or business. So, pwede rin itong sa trabaho na alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi na para sa'yo yung work na yan, pero napamahal na rin sa'yo. So, hindi rin ganun kadali sa'yo na i-let go yon. So, you might feel depressed about this or yung parang broken-hearted. Pwede rin namang relationship to for some of you. Disappointment in a friend or lover. Oh my God, Leo. So, I feel like you're going to end a difficult situation or a difficult relationship with someone na parang feeling mo, hindi naman talaga sa'yo to begin with or kumbaga hindi para sa'yo to begin with. Na pwedeng sinubukan mo lang or ipinilit mo lang pero alam mo na wala rin tong patutunguhan. Okay, this can be work, no? Pwede tong career or business na sinubukan mo or even person sa buhay mo na sinubukan mo na i-work out yung relationship but wala nangyari. So, this is disappointment in a friend or a lover. Dealings or relationship with an older woman. So, maaring ito ay very significant sa'yo. This can be your mother or someone na older sa'yo na concerning sa isang relationship, sa isang trabaho na kailangan mo ng iwan or pwede rin ito yung person na may issue tungkol sa relasyon. Pwedeng may nakikialam. But, look at this. You will receive a gift. You will receive a gift, Leo. This can be a surprise gift. Unexpected. Hindi mo ito inaasahan na darating bibigay sa'yo. Ano pa tong heartache na to? Tell us about this, please. 6th house. Okay, so some of you work-related. Yung iba naman may kinalaman sa health, sa inyong kalusugan na kailangan nyo na talagang i-fix, ayusin. Parting ways, 9th house. Meron ditong mag-a-abroad or aalis. Kaya parang nahihirapan ka na intindihin or i-accept na magkakaroon kayo ng pwede tong not necessarily break up na wala na, pwede tong magkakaroon lang ng physical na distance sa isa't isa. Pwede kayo ay magiging long distance relationship. 12th house. Okay, I feel like meron din ditong revelation of a secret. Or pwede ring merong hidden enemies na kaibigan na na-realize mo na hindi pala siya totoo kaibigan sa'yo, kaya you feel disappointed with this person. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, you're going to deal with your mother, no? Sa pwedeng issue with your mother or sa family na concerning your mother. You will receive a gift, 12th house. This is a surprise gift from someone. Okay, let's see, kanino yon? From a Gemini. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Okay, your purpose is personal expansion. How can you be more intentional with your choices and live with more purpose? So, expansion ng knowledge, skill set, or ng iba mo pang kakayanan. Pwede rin kung may negosyo ka, mag-e-expand yung business mo. Or ikaw mismo, marami kang aalamin, aaralin, matututunan that will expand your wisdom. And syempre, kapag mas marami ka ng alam, mas marami kang kayang gawin. 'Di ba? Okay, so that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.